Okay, class, here's Chattanooga Choo Choo by Harry Warren. I told you he was prolific because he also composed At Last that we had last week or a couple weeks ago. And this is also from a musical, either movie or play musical. And I'm not sure which one, sorry. And so this is, you have a few things introduced in this piece with the left-hand pattern called boogie woogie. So you have the fifth with your second, or he says 1-5 on both, on all the chords. Or you could use 1-5-2 in this case, whichever you find easier. Here he has 4-2 on this chord, so, or you could use 3-1 on that. And so the fingering, you can take the editor's suggestions, or if you can find something easier, you might like that better. This right here is called a grace note. They talk about it down here with a little asterisk. A short note played quickly before the main note is called a grace note. So it happens before the beat. You can think of it as a pinched note where you let go of the grace note as you play the G. Or you can play it separately like that. Artistic license, it's your decision. Here you have a first ending, repeats. This is the A section. So after the intro with the grace notes and the boogie woogie, you have the A section that's repeated. So it's A form. Then it goes into the B section, the bridge. And here he actually goes to a key change of F major. He goes to the subdominant from C major to F major. He's got a B flat here, so it's the key of F now. He got there by putting making that boogie woogie pattern an actual dominant chord of the 1, which makes it go to the subdominant. Okay, we're in the key of F for the bridge, the B form of B part of the song form, A B A. The right hand follows chords: F major, B flat. C7, F major, C7. And when you get more advanced, you do that as an exercise, going through all the different inversions of these chords. And that's an excellent way of improvising as well. We have a lot of syncopated notes. I don't know if we had them in the beginning. Yes, in the very beginning, of course, the main theme. Pardon me, sir. This right here is a syncopated note. It's a note falls on the end of the 2 followed by a tie. So that's syncopation. Choo choo, this follows on the end of 1 followed by a tie, also syncopation. Loads of syncopation in this piece. It's the Chattanooga Choo Choo, Chattanooga syncopation Choo Choo. And it's here's syncopation here, syncopation here, syncopation here, etc. All these offbeat accents followed by ties or spaces is what gives it that jazzy feel. Okay, so you have the you have the boogie woogie pattern in the left hand for the A form. The B part of the song has a little less syncopation with the left hand, not the boogie woogie, rather. It's just chords, and very interesting chords for this level of playing arrangement. Okay, and so you have your work cut out for you. It's a 4-page piece, and it's 42 points. I would say it's quite a bit harder than Ballad of Gilligan's Isle, but you could be ambitious and learn it. I've had many students learn it in past semesters. And let's see, I talked about the grace note. Yes, I talked about the grace note. First and second ending. You have to be careful of the pattern of the boogie woogie here. On the second ending it changes. Instead of going straight to the 7th, it comes back to the 5th and then to the 7th. Okay, so let's take a look at it as I play through it. Here we go. Chattanooga Choo Choo. The 8th notes are played with a swing, even though they're written straight, dot, 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That's what they mean by swinging the beat. Okay? A 1, 2, 3, a 4. A 1. train slows down at the end. Wrong pedal. Okie doke, this is the Chattanooga Choo Choo, the syncopation Choo Choo. And go for it, it's a wonderful piece.